Cash. Cash App doesn't have a built-in list of games that pay real money. So the games worth checking are third-party apps that offer cash prizes and support a withdrawal method you can actually use. By the end, you'll know 5 newer cash game options to check in 2026, how their rewards work, and what to verify before depositing anything. Number 5 is Bingo Cash. It combines bingo-style gameplay with competitive cash tournaments, so your payout depends on your performance rather than simply completing a daily task. Free play options let you learn the format before entering paid competitions where available. Number 4 is Solitaire Smash. This app focuses on competitive solitaire with multiplayer matches and cash prizes. It also lists PayPal and Apple Pay among its payment options, although available features can vary by location and account. Number 3 is Solitaire Cube. Instead of giving players completely different solitaire hands, its head-to-head format can use the same deck for both competitors. That gives you a more direct comparison because you're working with the same basic puzzle. Number 2 is Bingo Clash. It's another competitive bingo option built around skill-based matches and tournaments. The important detail is that cash game availability can depend on where you live, so check the app's current rules before adding money. Number 1 is Solitaire Clash. It's one of the better-known competitive solitaire apps and uses head-to-head gameplay and tournaments for cash prizes. The free mode is useful if you want to understand the scoring system before risking your own money. Now, if your goal is specifically to get money into Cash App, don't assume the phrase cash prizes means direct Cash App withdrawals. A game may pay through PayPal or another supported payment service instead. Cash App compatibility can also vary by country, account, and payment method. The same applies to no minimum. A game can allow you to start without making a deposit while still requiring a minimum balance before you can withdraw. Check the withdrawal screen, not just the game's advertising. So the 5 to check are Solitaire Clash, Bingo Clash, Solitaire Cube, Solitaire Smash, and Bingo Cash. Before depositing, open each app's withdrawal section and confirm the available payment method, eligibility requirements, and minimum withdrawal amount. Then play the free mode first so you understand how the scoring and tournament system works. These apps involve competitive gameplay, so cash prizes aren't guaranteed. Treat deposits as money you could lose, not as guaranteed income. If you want more rankings of legitimate cash game apps, like the video and subscribe.